Welcome to Essence Practitioners Academy. Okay, so we have our client sat in the chair and he's just explaining to me what he wants during his cut and how he would like his lineup. Okay, so I've slightly just done the left side of his hairline. Okay, so I go in with my wild detailers and I attack that line. Make sure I'm cutting precisely the baby hairs, okay? To try and get that line nice, crisp and sharp. Okay. I take a step back, I look at my canvas and I go in again with my wild detailers. So as I'm stepping back, I'm self-evaluating and assessing where I need to cut. Okay, so I could see a slight discrepancy in his hairline there as I'm attacking with the corners of my wild detailers. Alright, trying to get that line up as sharp as I can. Alright, now I go in again and I'm attacking, trying to get that right angle nice and sharp, as you can see there. And I go in again with the corners, nice and slowly, precisely, and taking my time. Okay, so thought I would give you a closer view of what I can see, and I can see a slight discrepancy there, so I'm just going in, attacking that hairline a bit more. Okay, and you can see I'm just slightly using, alright, my corners just to make it a bit more precise and clinical to give a sharper finish. Okay, I'm just tapping there to make sure I'm happy with my work, taking my time, not rushing at all. I take a step back, I look at the canvas. Now we're going to create that shape, that oval C-cup shape. Alright, so again I'm going to create the first kind of line and I'm going to attack the shape with the corners of my wild detailer, and I'm just going to follow that line round using the left hand side of my wild detailers. I keep going until I'm happy with the sharpness and the definition of the shape. I take a step back, I go in again, just hitting that line at the top. Okay, to perfect and to achieve that sharper finish. Okay, as you can see there, my client's checking himself out to see how his lineup looks. Okay, so now again, very important, I'm always making sure I'm combing the hair out. Alright, and I'm only going to be tapping away at the baby hairs. Okay, I'm not pushing back, I'm keeping it as natural as possible. As my client was saying to me, he wants to grow his hair, so it's important for me to understand that he would like his hair to look natural. Okay, one thing I thought I'll say as well is that if you guys, like, of course, can see how comfortable my client is in the chair. Again, it's not always about how well you can cut, it's also about your customer service skills, okay, and how comfortable your client is whenever they're in the chair with you. All right, so that's just something to bear in mind when you're cutting your client's hair. All right, make sure they're getting the best service every single time they choose to book in with yourself. Alright, so I'm just attacking that moustache now. Make sure I'm combing it out. Alright, make sure I'm getting that nice and level. Alright, now I'm attacking the side of his neck, try and create that box shape. Alright, you guys can see I'm attacking, trying to get it as straight as possible. Okay, attacking it bit by bit, then I'm combing it out and attacking it again, being very precise and careful with my hand movements with the wild detailer. Okay, taking advantage of the corners of the teacup blade, okay, and my wild detailers, making sure I'm taking full advantage of the design of the trimmer. Alright, and I comb out and I'm going in again to making sure that line is as sharp and as straight as can be. Alright, so now I'm just cleaning the area up, and then we pop over to the other side, which is his right side. Okay, and we are done. So as you can see here, I'm just adding or applying the rubbing alcohol to his face and his beard to make sure the rubbing alcohol is spread evenly around those areas. Alright, as you can see, my client's now checking himself out and how pleased he is with his shape up. Okay, brilliant. Brilliant. We always leave our clients happy every time they leave our chair. Okay, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and also let me know down below in the comments how well you think I've done. Alright, we'll see you in the other video. Hope you enjoyed it. We're off and out.